Okay, so today we're working on calculus 1 limits. Let's get started. Okay, so we're looking at the limit as x approaches 4 of x squared minus 9x plus 20 over x minus 4. The first thing you want to do is to try to insert that limiting value. The limiting value in this case is 4. So basically everywhere you see an x, you're going to try putting in the 4 and see if it gives you an answer. Well, let's see what happens when we plug in 4. Well, we have 4 squared minus 9 times 4 plus 20 over 4 minus 4. If you do the math, 16 minus 36 plus 20, that's going to give me 0. Bottom is going to give me 0. 0 over 0, we cannot do that. That is the indeterminate form. Okay, so the first thing we're going to learn how to do is when that happens, we're going to try to use algebra to get a different answer because 0 over 0 is not going to fly. Okay, for this one, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to factor that numerator. Well, if you look at the numerator, a in front of x squared is equal to 1, and we could try to break that up into two sets of parentheses, right? X and x, the factors of 20. Try and refresh on your factoring if you can. So when we factor that, right, we'd have to get a negative 9, okay, from the factors of 20. And for us to do that, we need x minus 5 times x minus 4. And at the bottom, we still have x minus 4. Well, use your algebra eyes, and I'm pretty sure you can see what's going to happen here. Those x minus 4s are going to cancel. So those are gone now. Now what we can do, after the first time you insert the limiting value, it's not the last time, we're going to try to insert the limiting value again, right? And as long as we get a number, it's okay. Okay, so after you insert the limiting value again, you see that we only have x minus 5. We're going to put that 4 in place of the x, and we'd get 4 minus 5. Well, 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 1. So that actually means that the limit to this one is going to be negative 1. So those are going to be your steps, right? You're going to try to insert the limiting value, right? If you get 0 over 0, you're going to try to use algebra manipulation until you get a solution like this. All right. So questions, comments, concerns, make sure you leave them down below. Thank you for stopping, and I will see you next time.